spend a day with me as I just came back from my break shift. So first I'm gonna go into my classroom. It's like usual. You guys probably think that this is a bedroom. It is a bedroom. It's just that I'm saying that I'm a teacher. So, yeah. My kid's coming back in a shift, so we gotta prepare the class. Okay, first we're gonna start by opening the blinds a little bit. Because, like, honestly, my classroom cannot look so dark. Yeah, that's not better. There's a bit of lighting coming to this room. Okay. I got my tea because honestly, tea is so good. What I'm gonna do is, guys, I'm gonna let my kids in now. So I'll be back by 1 minute. Okay, so I'm back. Be quiet. Alright, now we're gonna do spelling test. That group over there is the yellow group. So you guys do want to go to Miss Brown's class. Because currently right now, I'm the headmaster of this grade. And you look like you want to disrespect the grade 4 teacher. Wow! Grade 4, grade 7, grade 6. 3 grades that I'm teaching. And currently right now, I'm teaching this class, but my grade 7 class has to be split up because I came here to come look after your class today because your teacher's absent. And I'm going to ask you one question. Why you guys are going on with your teacher here? Because your teacher is sick of one of you sitting in this class right now. All of you. Even the kids is absent, the miss is tired of. So if you're going to disrespect your miss on Tuesday, I'm gonna hit all of you because your miss is gonna call me and she's gonna tell me you guys were naughty or not. Because when your miss comes, she's gonna ask me who's naughty and then I'm gonna help her to beat you on your back. So keep quiet. And you should be like, it's a Friday because Friday I'm in my mood. But you guys are taking my mood away now. On the weekdays, I'm not in my mood, and when I'm not in my mood, you see the other side of me. Why do you almost have to tell you guys out so many times? Are you guys 2-year-olds?